There is one setting that you can go in and change your Etsy shop right now to instantly make 30 to 40% more profit than the competition. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Stephen Chin. I am the founder of HelloCustom, where prior to launching HelloCustom, I grew my personal Etsy business to over $3 million revenue and hundreds of thousands of products sold. Where this one super simple strategy that you can go do in 5 minutes after watching this video netted us an extra $200,000 profit for our business. So the reason why we were able to scale our personal Etsy business to one of the top stores in the world was because we were constantly testing, and we tested everything. We kept what worked, we stopped what didn't work, and over time we created a unique system that no one was doing that allowed us to scale every single product that we launched to 6 and 7 figures without fail. I actually reveal these unique strategies that we developed, that we battle tested, and we proved to work in our free Etsy print on demand course. I'll put a link in the description below where you can access our Etsy course and community 100% for free. So you're probably thinking the only way that you can make 30 to 40% more profit than the competition is to simply raise your prices 30 to 40%. And that's close. But the thing with selling on a third-party marketplace like Etsy and Amazon is that your customer gets to see your competitors' products and their prices all around you, which makes it really hard to charge more than the average that product type sells for on that marketplace. And what we found is that if we price our product above that average, yes, we make more profit per sale, but sales velocity goes down because less people are willing to pay that price point. And if we price our product below that average, yes, we make less profit per sale, but sales velocity goes up, which leads to higher organic rank, which leads to even more sales. So there's pros and cons to both. But remember, we tested everything. I wanted to know if there was a way for us to take advantage of both the higher profits and the higher sales. And we were actually able to accomplish this through a strategic pricing method that I'm going to show you in this video. So let me ask you, out of these two products, which one would you buy? In the end, they're both still $25. So what we found was that charging shipping didn't affect our conversion rate, but a lot more customers clicked into our listings when we did charge shipping because that front end price appeared lower and cheaper than the competition. And with more customers clicking into our listing at that constant conversion rate, we naturally made more sales. And I really wanted to see how far we could test this because how much should we be charging for shipping? We tested $3.99, $4.99, $5.99, $6.99, and what we found was that we were able to mark up our shipping a couple dollars more than what we were paying for shipping. And again, it did not hurt our conversion rate. We were just making more profit per sale. And this indirectly allowed us to raise our prices above the competition, above that average, and not have it hurt our sales because we raised our prices on the back end. And the reason why this works is because when that customer clicks into our listing, they don't know our shipping price compared to the competition. And by the time that they see our shipping price, they have already chosen our product. They've selected our variations. They've entered in their personalization information, added the product to cart. It would be way too painful to start over, shop around to potentially save $2. So we rolled this out across our entire shop, was making more profit without the competition knowing about it, and it made us an extra $200,000 profit over our lifetime sales. So I'm now going to show you how you can implement this strategy in your store in under 5 minutes. So if we sign into our Etsy account right here, let's go over to the left, click on to settings, click on to shipping settings, and then that'll take you to your shipping settings page. And we're going to create a new shipping profile. If you scroll down and click on to create profile, that'll give you this pop-up where for the shipping price, we can choose between calculated or a manual fixed price. Etsy did make an update in October of last year that if you do a fixed price and have it be above $5.99, it can suppress that listing in rank. And again, we tested $3.99, $4.99, $5.99, $6.99, and we really want that shipping price to be closer to $6.99. So we have to go above the $5.99 for this strategy to work, which means we're not going to do the fixed price. We are going to do the calculated price right here. And we were able to kind of game the system to have the shipping price be closer to that $6.99 price point. So again, for the shipping price, have it be calculated. For the origin zip code, paste in the zip code for your production partner. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and paste in the zip code for Inner Circle Prints. Scroll down. for the countries that we're going to ship to. Personally, I've only ever sold to North America, so I always have this one right here selected. Scroll down. In terms of the naming profile, I typically name the shipping profile what the product is. So if this is going to be the shipping profile for my ornaments, I would name this ornaments, or if this was going to be for our dog collars, I would name this dog collars, for example. Dog collars calculated, and click on to save profile. All right, perfect. So the next thing that we have to do for this strategy to work is scroll to the top, click on to rates and upgrades, and then just make sure that the Etsy shipping label rates is selected. By default, it might be the post office retail rates. When this one is selected, the calculated is a little bit too expensive. So we want to make sure that we have the Etsy shipping label rates selected for this strategy to work. Now we're going to go into one of our Etsy listings, where again, the dog collar is going to be the product type in this example. So I'm going to click into one of my dog collar listings right here, scroll down to the bottom of your listing until you get to the part where it has the item weight and the package size. I'm also going to expand the preview shipping cost right here, where we're able to plug in any weight and size we want right here for Etsy to calculate the shipping on what it is going to charge our customer for the shipping. So we're able to plug in any information we want right here because your production partner, Inner Circle Prints, for example, is not buying shipping from Etsy. They're not using this information to bill you. They're not using this information to, use this information to send the package to your customer. We're able to almost game Etsy system to plug in what we want right here to charge what we want, because we have to go the calculated route in order to charge more than $5.99 and not get suppressed. So right now it shows going from the West Coast all the way over to the East Coast, $5.15. We want to get that closer to that $6.99 price point. Again, we tested the $3.99, the $4, the $5, the $6, the $6.99, and we were able to charge all the way up to $6.99, not have it hurt our conversion rate, just make more profit per sale. So I want to get this closer to a blended $6.99 average. So $5.15, if I increase our weight from 4 ounces to 10 ounces, that brings us closer to $6.37. Let's go ahead and change this from 10 to 13 ounces. Now we are at $7.47. Again, that is the West Coast all the way over to the East Coast. You can change the city right here because depending on how far it goes, the price will change. So the blended should be closer to that $6.99. So let's go over to Chicago, $7.45, Los Angeles, $6.59. So $6.60 all the way up to $7.50. Blended is really close to that $6.99 price point. And again, we're able to now make an extra dollar profit going this route versus the $5.99 route, fixed price. And again, we tested this across hundreds of thousands of sales. It does not hurt your conversion rate. We just make an extra dollar profit going this route. So on this listing, we're going to do 13 ounces, 9 by 6 by 1 to get our calculated blended around that $6.99 price point. So I'm going to go ahead and save this right here. Go back over to our listing page right here, and now we have to update that weight across all of our dog collars. So the easiest way to do this is to search for the search term for that product, like ornament, for example, or in this case, collar. That way it only shows this product type. You can go to the top right, click on to quick edit, and this is where you are able to make some quick edits on the listing. And one of those is the weight and the size right here. So in this case, I'm going to change this to 14 ounces. I think it was 13 ounces. I'm going to copy this, and then you can just go down the listing and then just paste these in. It only takes a couple seconds per listing. I'm going to only do it for the first handful, but you would go through this across all of your listings. That way all of your listings have this correct weight and size for the calculated to be, again, that blended $6.99. So once you have the weight and the dimensions updated, we now need to apply our shipping profile to these products. So again, I recommend searching for something that way only that product type shows up. In this case, my dog collar. That way I can click onto this right here and it will select 40 of my dog collars. Click on to editing options, go down to change shipping profiles, click on to select profile, and then click on to that profile that we created. In this case, it is dog collars, and click on to apply. That will then update these 40 listings right here. If you have more than 40 listings, you can go down to page 2, scroll back up, select these 40, editing options, change shipping profiles, select profile, dog colors, and apply. So again, you have to update all of the listings for this to take into effect, but it does go quick with these quick edits right here and the bulk options right here. And just like that, you're gonna make 30 to 40% more profit than the competition. Well, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.